So over here, you can see that I have this strikingly piece right here with a store which has some products. So if I were to go ahead onto some product, you can actually see that I have a URL right here that I can actually go ahead and use to share out with others. But what you can also do is add in a custom item URL if you need to. So over here in Strikingly, for that you can go to manage product, and then you can go to the specific product where for which you want to go ahead and make a custom URL for, and you can scroll down right here until you find the use custom item URL option. So here you can see that this is the URL. So I'm just going to go around and say special class. So you can go ahead and name it whatever you want right here and click on save. So once you go ahead and do that, so this has been named as special class. So let's just go ahead and publish this out right here. And then if I were to go ahead and refresh this, so let's go back right here onto the home page right here. And then I'm going to go to the exact product right here, just like this. So this is photo editing class. But if I were to go ahead and type in special class right here, just like this, and press enter right here, then it actually comes up to that particular product, as you can see right here, just like this. So it does not need to be the default address. So you want to create some interesting words right here on your own, you can actually do that using the custom URL feature in Strikingly. So that is how you can go ahead and use the custom item URL for your products in store inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.